Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Leonardo AI account. So this is going to become particularly useful for individuals who no longer need their Leonardo AI account. How do you actually go ahead and delete it? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But if you don't know what Leonardo AI is, it's an image generation tool where you can use templates, different types of styling, in order to actually generate realistic images or even animated images. So here on the homepage, you'll just see a bunch of Leonardo AI images, but how do you actually go ahead and delete some or delete your account? The way to do this is that on the left-hand side, you want to click on settings, and then from here, you want to click on account management. So under account management, you're going to see this option to delete your account. So by deleting your account, you will remove all of your information from their database, and notice that this action cannot be undone. So if you do decide to delete your account, do make sure that is what you actually want to do, just because this is not reversible. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete your Leonardo AI account. Now, if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.